Hey friends, it's Alina, and in this one, I'm going to walk you through my new moon ritual and how to create one for yourself. So, let's get started. The new moon is the ideal time for starting any new projects or habits. It's a time for new beginnings and planting seeds for anything you'd like to grow over the next year, season, or lunar cycle. This is the optimal time for writing down and getting clear on what you'd like to manifest through a new moon ritual. In order to do a new moon ritual, the most basic thing you'll need will be just a pen and paper. But for mine, I'll be including a cushion for the floor, a bundle of sage for smudging, some crystals like rose and clear quartz, and the Aligned Life Planner because it's a full year's planner with monthly dedicated full and new moon pages for my ritual, along with updates on every retrograde, solstice, and eclipse for the year, so I can stay aligned with the stars as well as my goals. Energetically, this is a great time to smudge your physical space with sage or palo santo and sit as close to the earth as possible to clear stagnant energy. Burning sage actually releases negative ions, which can get rid of the more harmful positive ions that electronics can emit. Once your energetic and physical space is cleared, a great way to clear your mental space is through mindful meditation. You can do this by downloading a meditation app like the Insight Timer, Calm, or the Oprah and Deepak Chopra app that has free seasonal 21-day meditation challenges. I personally release guided full and new moon meditations here on my channel that are customized to the specific astrological events influencing us for the current month. So be sure to subscribe to be notified when my newest is released. Regardless of how you do it, meditation is a great way to get grounded and centered with the present moment. If you still don't feel clear, starting with journaling a full 2 pages of whatever is on your mind can do wonders too. I use the note pages on my Aligned Life Planner for this before filling out the new moon page in the next step. Next, it's time to write a list of what you'd like to bring into your life. This can be habits, opportunities, things, people, energy, or whatever first comes to mind. This is your monthly opportunity to set clear intentions and actionable game plans for your goals. And don't hold back. The new moon is the time to manifest whatever might feel out of reach. And visualizing your destination is the first step cosmically, energetically, and psychologically to making it a reality. A great quote I read recently from the book Atomic Habit went something along the lines of, quote, "Winners and losers have the same goals, but differ in their systems to achieve them," end quote. In other words, it's one thing to set intentions and goals, and a whole other thing when it comes to execution. So once you've written out your goals, take a few minutes, close your eyes, and visualize what it will look like once you've achieved them. And do this one at a time. Then meditate with this feeling now and as often as you'd like. Next, break down your goals into actionable steps. For this, I'll be using the Align Life Planner as it has clear charts for each new moon section. Of course, you can do this on a piece of paper by writing out your goal, your monthly habit, weekly routine, and daily habit. These steps will not only make your goal more approachable, but it will also be something that you can easily refer back to when you want to stay on track. Don't let the energy from your new moon ritual dissipate. Keep this list visible on a wall, in your phone, and in something like the Align Life Planner to make sure your daily actions are in alignment with your goals. I hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the basics of a new moon ritual. If you're curious about the Align Life 2020 Planner, it is currently on sale for 20% off. Just click the link in the description to learn more. And as always, remember to be gentle with yourself, because life is about the journey and not the destination. Bye, guys.